As fruits from the best farms in the world reach their consumers, we make sure that only the finest, freshest and healthiest ones make it to their plates. Founded in 1965, Bhavesh Trading Company is the result of a legacy spanning over 50 years and 3 generations in agro trade.
नमस्ते, मैं सुनील करारा, भावेश ट्रेडिंग कंपनी का CEO. We are major importers and exporters of fresh fruits from all over the world. हम लोग इस कारोबार में 45 years से है. हम लोग 3rd generation है इसमें. नेचर फ्रेशनेस नेचुरली प्रोड्यूस करके सबको सप्लाई करते हैं, सुपर मार्केट्स को और रिटेलर्स को. Our only goal is to serve the world and our nation fresh.
Today, we have developed into a leading force in import, export and distribution within both domestic and global markets. Bhavesh Trading Company has a robust agro-trade chain spanning across 4 continents and 18 countries. The finest imported fruits from around the world like plums, pears, oranges, apples, kiwis and more arrive in our country from Iran, Egypt, South Africa, Poland and more. We also introduce the world to the finest variety of Indian fruits and vegetables such as bananas, grapes, pomegranates, coconuts and onions through our export network.
Baba, a brand started in 1965 by Mr. Srichand Hariram Karara, the pioneer of Bhavesh Trading Company. Every single banana in our farm is cultivated with such love and care that it's a wonderful feeling to taste the ripe fruit. To enrich the quality of our produce, we engage in practices such as fruit care, in which we nourish the bananas with the essential nutrients. We take its utmost care and diligence for the export, right from sorting, packing, shipping and distribution.
To complement the quality of our fresh imports, we have always adopted state-of-the-art storage, packaging and transit practices. And we only deal with shipping companies characterized by responsibility and efficiency. Our systems too are led by individuals who shine the core values of our company and lead by example. For more than 50 years now, we have been delivering consistent quality to our customers worldwide. And as each of our generations perform their duties and expand the legacy further, we continue our journey to innovate and transform the agro-trade industry. Bhavesh Trading Company, serving the world fresh.